Hello and welcome viewers to another video. In this video we will see restoring previous folders at sign in. Suppose if you sign off with a bunch of folders left open, Windows closes them all for you the next time when you do sign in. But if you want the folders to reopen in their original size and position when you do the sign in, this video is for you. Open your File Explorer. Here you will see these three dots. Click here, then go to Options. Currently it will open with General tab view. Switch to View tab. Scroll down and here you will see this Restore Previous Folder Windows at Logon. Checkmark this, hit Apply and then click OK. I am opening this picture folder and now I am signing off. And then I am signing in again. And you can see I am back to my folders with File Explorer page at same position and at same view. So I hope this will be really very helpful for you guys. So see you in my next video. Thank you so much.